2 areas, actually 3 areas, because this area is over 200 square feet, so not bad. Regular soil in here and there, you know. It looks worse than it is. Do a good vacuum. And this room's in better shape. Alright, let me vacuum. thing pulls up a whole lot more than your vacuum can. So what I do is I go back through here when I'm done, pick all that up before I extract. Alright, so that was it for the pre-scrubbing. Used a multi-wash for this one, in case you guys didn't catch that. And gonna extract, so I'm gonna get my wand. This is gonna be a really easy job. This is just simple move out. They're not always this easy. But they kind of balance out, right? You got some really tough ones, and then you got easy ones. It kind of balances it out. So on your pricing, you know, don't kick yourself in the butt if you get a real hard job and you're not making ton of money on it. I mean, you should be making your minimum, right? So if you're working an hour, right, to do a job, and you're making less than your goal, which mine is $100 an hour, you need to adjust your prices. So one room, obviously, this room right here is 2 rooms, should take me an hour, okay? And it's my minimum. So I charge $125 for this, so because a little larger room here, and I cut her a little break because when I showed up I noticed it was a little larger than she said usually is. But just being consistent on your cleaning, and it all balances out. You'll have some really easy jobs. You'll be out of there in no time. Some might take you 15-20 minutes longer, you know, or maybe sometimes even longer. But before you get all panicky, go ahead and keep working, do your jobs, and then do your math. And you'll notice you should be right around your quota if you're a $40 a room guy. If you're a $40 a room guy, you shouldn't do anything less than $100. So if they want one room, $100. But anything after that, $40. That's about where I am right now, and I'm thinking of moving it up when the season picks up a little bit to 45, but we'll see. So you tell me what other job you're going to do working for somebody else, unless you want to call us to become a doctor, a lawyer, or something like that, right? That you're going to make $100 an hour. Granted, I don't work 8 hours a day all the time, but I used to work 40 hours a week. I used to work 8 to 10 hours a day and make what I make now in 2 hours. So I work 2 hours and I make the same amount, if not more, than I did when I was working for somebody else 8 to 10 hours. And I was making $25 an hour. I mean, that's not great, you know, awesome money in some places, but around here it was decent. But still not enough to be able to, look at that view, to live the lifestyle I want, okay? So what's smarter? You work less, make the same, or work more and make the same? And in my case, I'm making a lot more, okay? Because I'm not working only 2 hours. I'm working about 4 hours a day. So I'm making between $400 to $600 a day. That, to me, is success. So, all right. Well, I'm going to get to extract and stay tuned. Yeah, stay close. Whatever. See, I'm going on saying this is going to be a really easy job. I'm not saying it's a really difficult job, but I did have to resort to some spotter, so I went and got some of this. I got a bottle of spotter always mixed up here, so I only hit the areas that need it, right? It's not like, so I don't waste a bunch of my regular pre-spray. And this right here is Sager's Code Red. Really effective spotter and actually cleaner. But I only use it as a spotter unless I'm on a really heavily soiled commercial carpet or something like that, a restaurant. So as you can see back in that area over there, I got some shadow in there. I'm just not happy, and I'm not just going to leave it without treating it. It might just be war of the fiber, but I don't believe in just going one over it and that's it. Give it another try. Right over here too, I added some. So I'm letting this set for about 5-10 minutes, and then I'm going to extract and see if it looks any better. Well, it's been about 5 minutes, so let me see. And I didn't do any agitation on it either. I just laid it down. And you can tell that it really did what I was hoping it was going to. Alright. First you don't succeed, try again. Alea, folks. Us old people will remember that. Alright, that looks better to me. I'll be able to sleep at night. Look, if you're the type of guy growing up that didn't have a lot of money, parents maybe bought you a pair of shoes once or twice a year, so you had to make those shoes last. So every now and then, a couple months, 3-4 months, you pull out your little shoe detailer kit and you try to make them new again. You know? If you did that, then carpet cleaning is probably something that you do good at. Because you're trying to make things look new again, right? This floor really needs some work. Especially in here. It's not that bad in there. But here needs some work. I can make it look better. Anyway, done here. Alright, looks better, but still I got that little worn look. That's just war of the fiber, you know. You can't make old carpet brand new again. You can just make it as good as you can get. And this remote came out great. But thanks for watching. You know, this was kind of a video focused on, you know, the business aspect of carpet cleaning. And I'm not saying this is some get rich quick. You got to put in hard work, you know, to be able to make that full-time income. But putting in 2-4 hours a week and doing it as a side hustle before you go full-time for about a year or so, or even 2 years, isn't that worth it? Where would you be if you never did do that? You'd still be working 9 to 5, and maybe that boss comes in one day and said they got to cut people. Then what are you going to do then, you know? And that's what happened to me. And I was that guy who cleaned his shoes every 6 months or 3 months, you know. I only got one pair of shoes a year, maybe twice. Christmas in school. Nowadays people got like 30 pair of shoes in their closets. I still only got like 2, so I don't know, I guess I'm just used to making things last. Alright, that's it for this video. And there was another point I was gonna make. I hate that. I don't know, if I think about it, I'll continue this video. If not, see you next video. You know the routine.